In this video, we will see how to download Power BI in Windows 11. So just search for Power BI download and go to first website, and you can see here products. Go to Power BI desktop, then do not go to this option download free, go to this option download or language option, then click on it, then select your language and then click on download. Then if you are using Windows 11 and 64, then click on it, then click on download. Then it will start downloading because I have downloaded already. So, so how to install this Power BI? So just open this, just select your language. I am selecting English, then next, then yes, then click on next, then accept the agreements, and then you can specify the path, but I am not changing this. Just click on next, then click on install. Now it will take some time to install, so wait for this. So it's fine. So it's fine. Now you can see it has been installed. Just click here to launch this Power BI, then click on finish. Now it is launching the Power BI. Now it has been launched now. Now you can log in and do some steps and export some files to do visualization and ETL queries. So this is the installation of Power BI.